Hi, my name is Luis Castano with IAC's Tip of the Month. This month we want to cover inspection doors and ductwork. Now, why would we need that? Generally, you wouldn't need it if ductwork was designed per global recommendations. One recommendation is that we don't want to run horizontal ductwork for long lengths, obviously. Why is that? Because even if we apply the adequate velocities, we're going to have some dropout. And that can build up to become a problem. But then there's many installations where we cannot have an up and down design of ductwork to avoid horizontal sections. That cannot be done because of the space requirements or the building or whatever. So in many cases, we do need to run horizontal ductwork. Now, to do that, we strongly recommend putting inspection doors to avoid material accumulation, because there's been cases where ductwork collapses, sometimes bringing part of the building down. It's not only a hazard, but it's an expensive problem. So what I have drawn here is horizontal ductwork going to different places to vent in the plant, and these are typical inspection doors. Now think about it. Airflow is moving at a high velocity here, around 4,000 feet per minute, and then we have this notch protruding out of a round ductwork. Well, that obviously creates turbulence and then continues. What's the big deal? Well, material accumulation, but more than anything, slowing down the suction or reducing the suction and the velocity and causing the problem of material accumulation. So what we recommend when you have horizontal ductwork, put inspection doors, but there are inspection doors that mold to the shape of the ductwork so that airflow moving inside is not disrupted. And these are readily available off the shelf, and yet we see this design often, which is very bad for your ventilation system. So you can contact us to discuss what options you have, but inspecting horizontal ductwork should be done at a periodic schedule, but do use the proper access doors to minimize losses. If you want to discuss this in more detail, please contact us and we can provide a solution. Thank you.